This might be one of the sharpest 210 Montauks we've ever received. This is a Boston Whaler 21 Montauk and an unsinkable legend. This has the platinum gray gel coat hull sides with black graphics. We also have the black rub rail with stainless steel insert, and as you can see, we have a little bit of a theme going on here. We have the black powder coated frame for the hardtop, as well as the black powder coated tow arch with the Mercury 200 horsepower with electric throttle. Let's jump on this thing and check it out. This 210 Montauk is really well equipped with the dual axle trailer underneath us, the Mercury 200 horsepower V6 with electric throttle, and again, that nice big beautiful tow arch. And as you can see, while I'm standing up here, this hardtop is quite high. You also have the rocket launchers on the back. So let's climb up and check out the rest of what this 21 Montauk has to offer. In the cockpit of the 210 Montauk, something that I really like is that it is utilitarian and it really transforms depending on how you're using it. So you can still use this as a water taxi or a family boat going out, going to the islands, maybe jumping over to Long Island as well. But when you're not fishing it, nice and easy, pulls up, jump seat on both sides of the engine. But the reason why I point this out is because when you flip it down, now you have the fiberglass again, and you can stand on it, it's non-skid, makes it very easy to go from family to fish. In the back here, we also have two cup holders on each side. The rod holders that I mentioned before, right behind the jump seats on that transom gunnel. We also have this nice bracket here where a cockpit table can go as well. As you can see, we also have a couple of speakers here as well, so this boat is stereo equipped. The leaning post on the 210 Montauk is super nice. Pull up on the backrest, and you can put it in 4 different positions depending on how you want to use it. You can put it here, and that's a nice leaning post, or you can move it all the way forward to have a aft-facing seat while you have that cockpit table out. Pull this lanyard here, bottom of the seat comes up, and you have plenty of dry storage here as well. Just on the base, we also have access to some Plano boxes for tackle. And on each side of the cushion, we have rod holders as well, giving you even more storage capabilities. Now, for everybody's favorite, the Helm. The Helm, we have a nice 9-inch Simrad NSX unit, which is the newest and best from Simrad. It is lightning fast, also gives you the capabilities of auto routing, as well as fish finder. We have our stereo JL unit right here. We have our speedometer and our tachometer, as well as all of our tactile switches for your live well pump, your fresh water pump, your bilge pumps, everything that you might need. I also love on the 210 Montauk that you do have a small glove box here that is lockable. So if you are gonna go dock and dine somewhere, throw in some valuables, lock it up, and they're safe while you're gone. We have trim tabs on this 210 Montauk as well that will really be able to balance out those off-centered weights when you're out there running with a little extra people on board. These are our electric throttles right here, and this is super nice because it is super responsive. Just put it into gear and you'll immediately start to see. No more going north to south like those old cable throttles. We also have our VHF right here in a really good spot, and I love to point this out as well. This is our SD card input right here. This is so that if you wanted to put in any different charts or chips into the Simrad, you don't have to go into the back of it and plug it in. It's nice, accessible right here. The 210 Montauk also has a little bit more ergonomics in mind. So as you can see with this teak package, we have this nice step right here, which really lets you push yourself against the backrest when you're getting a little bit more seas and make sure you're comfortable. On the underside of the hardtop here, we have a light again that will go off, white, and red, depending on how you're using the boat and at what time. But we also have this nice netting here, which will serve as really good storage for your safety kit or a couple of life jackets. As you make your way around the console on the starboard side, You have a nice door going into your console with a cubby on the inside for storage. But also once you get in there, you can see that the gooseneck for your cockpit table and your table are stowed in there, and you have a pump out porta potty. The fitting for the pump out is just on the port side on the console, and you can pump out once you get back and you fuel up. The bow of the 210 Montauk is also what it sets itself apart from its brothers and sisters in the lineup. So just like many others, we have a 2-piece bow cushion setup here. Now, I want to point out that this is the only Montauk that you're going to be able to get backrests to make 2 chase lounges up here. And we also have embedded cup holders in that front cushion as well, so you don't have to turn around and try to access the cup holders right behind the backrest. So this bow cushion can easily fold to the left, giving you access to your latch for your anchor locker. The bow cushions are also designed to fold to give you more storage space as well. So when you fold this one up and then you fold this one here, you're able to fit them in your console when you leave the boat so that they're more protected. But under this second piece, we have a massive fish locker here. That way you can throw plenty of catch throughout the day in here, fill it up with ice, and because it's a whaler, it's fully filled with foam, so it's completely insulated, and that ice is going to last forever, like it's in a Yeti. They are self-draining as well, so once that ice melts, it'll drain right overboard, and there's not another chore for you to do when you get back to the dock. If you have any questions about the Boston Whaler 210 Montauk, give us a call at 860-661-4672 or come on down and check it out yourself. We're at MarineMax in Norwalk at 130 Water Street, and we look forward to seeing you on the boat or out on the water.